Create contact page in WordPress using Elementor template is the topic of this video. Now we are going to talk about template number 5 here. Okay, since we are using WordPress and Elementor templates, so make sure you already open your WordPress website, and then we are going to import the template first. So go to templates folder and then to save template menus, and then let's import templates from the computer just like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to upload link in bio page 5 number 5 or contact page number 5. Open and then import now, so it will be installed into this save templates in this Elementor part page builder. Okay, after that we already have this link in bio page number 5 or contact page number 5. Now what we are going to do is go to pages and click add new page. Okay, so I'm going to put the title create contact space, and the title is totally up to you if you already wants to create your own contact page. This is just an example in WordPress using Elementor. Okay, this is an example from me. And then after you put the title, click the button edit with Elementor. It will bring you to Elementor Page Builder. Just wait a little while, and don't forget to go to the upper side here, page setting, click, and then go to the left corner below page layout, change it into Elementor canvas. So you will have a full display just like this, and then go to the folder in the middle of this display, click add template, and find the template you already import in the my templates menu here. Click my templates and then find the link in bio page number 5 or contact page number 5. Just click insert. There you go. So it is very easy. Your ready-made templates to create a contact page in your WordPress website is already just like this. This is the desktop version. If you want to look to your tablet version just like this is your contact page in the tablet version, or in the mobile version it will be like this. And it is very easy for you if you want to change everything in this page, I mean the content. So just prepare your own image just like this. If you want to change this image, just click on the image and then go to the left side, choose image, so you can upload a new image from your computer, or you can find on the media library if you already have or already imported before or already uploaded before. Okay, and then if you want to change the title here, of course it depends on your name. I am Angela, or I am let's say I am Jessica maybe. So you can change the name here, and then if you want to change the style of your font, you just go to style and then typography, and then you can choose any font that you like or related to your character probably. So it is totally up to you if you want to change the font here. And if you already used to create or to modify a page using Elementor, it will be very easy for you. Even you are the newbie or this is the first time you are using Elementor, still it is very easy to create a page or a website, or to modify a page in WordPress website just like this. You can change the text as an explanation here probably, description of short description about you. You can change it in the left side. It is very easy because this is just drag and drop. And then if you want to change every social media button here, just click on the icon here. Maybe if you want to change this Facebook, if you want to put URL, probably your Facebook URL and then Instagram URL, This is Twitter probably, and then the next is YouTube. Just put every link to your social media. Even if you want to put another social media button, probably you just have to duplicate this section. And then if you want to put your WhatsApp number, link to your WhatsApp contact, you just have to put it here. And also URL to your website. So it is very easy. Again, it is very easy to modify. You can change it into mobile version if you think in this mobile version the font is too big, so you can change again in typography the font. You can minimize it into the number, the size that is related or appropriate for your mobile version, just like this. Okay, so it is neat and clean in your mobile version. Okay, so this is how you can create contact page in WordPress using Elementor Page Builder, just like this. Okay, I think that's all in this video. I'm going to talk about another templates in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to get this template or that 24 collection of my templates of contact page, just check the link in the description. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.